Hi everyone, we did it. We made it to 10,000 subscribers. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway on my Instagram. The Instagram link is below and I'll put it on the screen here so you can see what that is. I'm going to be giving away a small hydrangea collection from Great Garden Plants. Great Garden Plants has partnered with me on this, and there's going to be 3 hydrangeas included. It is a wee white, which you've seen in my garden, that gets relatively small and has the white blooms, kind of like the 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 type. There is tiny tough stuff, which I also have in front around the magnolia. And then there's tough stuff 𝗂𝗂𝗲, which I planted the other day that I had found on clearance at a local Home Depot, and that will be coming up in a video later this week. So all of these hydrangeas are hardy in zones 5 through 8. One's a little more hardy in zone 3 and one will survive till zone 9. But just as a general, if you're outside of that zone, just know these may not live for you. They all bloom on new wood, and so in the event you have a bad winter or you need to prune them, they will still bloom for you reliably every year. The details surrounding the giveaway will be in the description and on the post on Instagram that is currently available, so go check that out. In the event you enter the giveaway and the hydrangeas won't survive in your zone, I will exchange that for something else that you can select from greatgardenplants.com. Overall, I'm really excited with the progress we've made this year. 10,000 subscribers is certainly gratifying for me, and I thank you so much for your continued support. Go check me out on Instagram, and good luck to all of you. And remember, in a world full of hate, be a light. Take care, everyone. Bye.